Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today, we're going to be talking about my method, the RAAA method. This is going to completely change your life like it has mine. I practice this every single day. This is my manifestation routine. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in my Game of Alignment course. This is very similar to what I will be talking about today, where all you have to do is do what makes you feel good and you will literally get everything that you want. So for more information on that, just go on ritakaminski.com/courses and everything will be laid out for you. There, I also offer one-on-one coaching and collective coaching, and I also offer customized subliminals. All of the details are again on ritakaminski.com. So let's get into it.
Popular, born to be popular. She ain't that 20 mil, but she run it up. She can never be broke cause she popular. Tell her what came on for the followers.
I have been dead ass practicing this every single day for the past 2 years because it's an actual acronym format that helps me remember to do this all of the time. RAAA stands for relax, allow, appreciate, affirm. You want to be doing this in every single moment of the day when you are not distracted by something else. In one moment, you begin with the letter R, and then A, and then A, and then A, and then you rotate and begin all over again until you have something to do and you can't do it anymore. R stands for relax. The very first thing that we are doing is we are relaxing into this present moment. We're not reacting to the 3D circumstances. We remind ourselves that if it does not make me happy, if it is not something that I want, it simply does not exist in my reality. And I breathe into whatever feeling I feel and I let it sit there, fully knowing and trusting that it will go away by itself, and it always does. No matter how bad you feel in this moment, just continue to breathe into that, continue to relax your body as much as possible, untense your face, your body. Physically breathe, take that breath, and imagine that your discomfort is in your body, but you're settling into it in this moment and you're accepting it. You're not giving it power. You're not resisting it, because what we resist persists. We're not making a huge fuss of it because it's not a big deal. So it will go away by itself. Like a toddler crying for lollies, we are ignoring it because it's actually not a big deal, and they will stop because they know that they can't manipulate you. Your 3D is literally just a spoiled toddler. So we want to be the sane, rational ones. Relax, breathe through that, do not react. So that is the first step. The next step is allow. Allow yourself to do what feels the best in this current moment right now. Whether it makes sense to you to do or not. I'm telling you, if you don't want to go to school, don't go to school. If you don't want to go to work and you feel comfortable about it, don't go to work. I'm serious. If you want to play Sims, go play Sims. If you want to go to the gym, go to the gym. Like, if you want to eat a burger, eat a burger. Like, do what genuinely makes you feel good, and it's not rocket science. You just have to ask yourself, what do I want to do right now? What will make me feel the best right now to do? It actually could be studying if you are anxious about studying, and the thought of studying will make you relax. But if it doesn't, and the thought of you distracting yourself by going on TikTok is better, that is the path to go to, because you are not tense anymore. You are distracted by whatever it is that you are freaking out about. And you're also telling the universe that, hey, I'm living my absolute best life right now with whatever options that are laid out in front of me. Shout out to Bashar. I'm gonna pick the one that is of my highest excitement. Just ask yourself, what feels good for me to do right now? That will further relax you. You continue to do that, that thing that you have been wanting for 20 years will come to your doorstep in the quickest way possible, because you have told the universe, you have told your subconscious mind that, hey, I know that I'm deserving to be the happiest right now without having to wait, without having to work for it, without having to go to university or prove myself. I'm just allowing because I am worthy because I was born. I'm worthy of happiness just because I exist. You're doing what makes you feel good now. That will make more good come to you. I promise you. The next step is appreciate. In this moment, you are currently appreciating everything that you're liking. It could be, I'm loving the food that I'm eating right now. It could be you're looking at your cat and you're like, I'm loving my cat. It could be you're in the shower and you're saying, I just love the hot water on my skin. It gives me back my power because I'm riding so high. Have you ever been in such euphoria that you feel like you can accomplish anything? You are limitless. That is your truth always. You just don't feel it because you're reacting to the 3D. You're not letting yourself do what makes you feel good, and you're not appreciating what is your goddamn birthright. So we're letting ourselves do this through the RAAA method. It can be one thing you're appreciative of. You can go on until you can't think of anything anymore or you get bored, okay? The next thing is affirming. We are picking one umbrella affirmation and one affirmation that is targeting a specific manifestation. For example, mine is everything in my life is perfect, magical, and easy. That's an umbrella affirmation, and I mostly use that one because it targets everything. Or it's all my videos go viral. That one is quick. You just say it once. Everything in my life is perfect, magical, and easy. And then you go back to the very beginning and you say, I'm relaxing now. I'm not reacting to the 3D. And you continue to go in every single moment until you're distracted. It's not like a strict thing. Promise me you'll do this for 24 hours. It is the best technique ever. And by properly doing this in the past 2-3 days, I've become inspired to go to the gym. My views are going up. I'm so much more calmer. I'm so much more happier. I feel like I'm already in the state, living as the person who has their manifestation. And I'm seeing the results of that. Not just in one category of my life, but in every category. Okay, you can try this out. Let me know in the comments down below how you went. If you're excited, give me a RAAA in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Shawty fuck on me 'cause you know I'm popular.